Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Family Dollar application using your mobile device. Let's dive into the video right away. First of all, launch open your Family Dollar application on your device. Soon after you launch open the app, tap on the login button appearing at the top of the screen. Now, you'll need to fill in your email and your password associated with your Family Dollar account that you used while creating an account. Enter your valid email address in the first text box. And once you are done, type in your correct password on the next field. If you don't remember the password, tap on Forgot Password link and follow through the password reset process and change to a new one. If you remember your password, you can type it in right away in the password text field. Once you are done, tap on the next button and you will be able to log into your Family Dollar account. So that's how easily it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.